Another key use of the Undercarriage Assistant is to find the sight lines and angles of holes in a Windsor chair. The sight line, if you're not familiar with it, is the direction in which a piece is leaning. So this spindle is going to lean something like that. This seat has already been drilled, but we will ignore that for this case. So we set the pinch rod up between the point where we want the hole in the seat and the point where we want the hole in the bow. So this is the longer pinch rod. I'm going to stick that in the hole. Normally it would just go on the point on the seat, and extend it to the point in the bow and lock it in place with the clip like that. You'll see why in a minute, but we want the tape facing forward. That is then replicating the spindle in the final chair, and we now need to find the direction in which it's leaning. So we take a laser. This is a Black & Decker BDL 120, and this projects a line, a vertical line and a horizontal line. And if I turn it on, you can perhaps see the line here. I'm going to put this on a little block just because it works better. And then I'm going to move the laser around until the line goes directly up the rod. So here, the line is coming here, going across, and the line on the rod is going at an angle. If I bring it around, and I can see the line, or maybe I can see the line, the laser line along the seat, and it's running all the way up the pinch rod there. This line projected on the horizontal is then the sight line. And with a pencil, you can mark that on from there and a point there, and with a ruler you can draw it on. So that's the direction in which it's leaning. And if you look along there, then this line should be at right angles on either side. The only other information you need is the angle. So you then take a bevel gauge like this, place this parallel to the sight line or the laser line, and adjust the blade until it's parallel to the pinch rod. So there we are, it's running along the sight line, parallel to the rod, and then you can take something like a bevel monkey. This is a really useful little gadget for measuring angles. Place this on here and slide it until you get the correct angle. So that's looks like 17 degrees. And then you can make a note of that, and you'll have a note of the sight line, and then you can drill that hole along that line at 17 degrees from the vertical. And that's it.